Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an external frame backpack. First, let's get acquainted with the basics. The external frame is designed to carry substantial, often bulky, loads efficiently. Begin by adjusting the shoulder strap so the pack sits comfortably, with the top of the frame just above your shoulders. Next, secure the hip belt firmly around your iliac crest, ensuring it supports about 70 to 80% of the total weight. Finally, tighten the load lifter straps to pull the pack's top closer to your body, enhancing stability. Now let's talk about packing your external frame backpack effectively. The key is to place your heaviest and densest items, like food or water, as close to your back and shoulders as possible. Lighter, bulkier gear, such as sleeping bags or tents, can be distributed evenly on the outside of the frame. Always secure everything tightly with compression straps to prevent any shifting, which can throw off your balance. Don't forget to use the external lashing points for any oversized or uniquely shaped equipment. Maintaining comfort on the trail is crucial, so let's discuss on-trail adjustments. As you hike, your body will settle, so periodically fine-tune your shoulder and hip straps to redistribute weight and alleviate any discomfort. Engage the sternum strap to stabilize the load and prevent your shoulders from tiring prematurely. Always be mindful of any pressure points developing and adjust your padding or the pack's position accordingly. Ensure the pack rides high enough to allow for full, unrestricted leg movement. Finally, let's cover essential care and maintenance to ensure your external frame backpack lasts for many adventures. After each trip, clean your pack thoroughly with mild soap and water, paying attention to any soiled areas. Regularly inspect the frame, all straps, and buckles for any signs of wear, tear, or damage. When not in use, store your backpack in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, which can degrade materials. Promptly repairing any minor damage will significantly extend its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.